Kim Castro, I know it's hot and sizzly right now. What can we expect?
Yeah, exactly the same thing. So from now all the way through Friday, the forecast doesn't change a whole lot. It is all about the heat. So if you are going to Fan Fest, there's not a ton of shade around. So I do want to make sure you head over there prepared with a hat. Make sure you carry your water with you. Put some electrolytes in there, maybe coconut water. That's what I've been drinking. 90 degrees right now. It's up by 2 compared to this time yesterday. And of course, the feeling when you factor in that humidity is closer to 100 degrees, all because of that Gulf breeze. It's coming in out of the south-southeast at around 15 miles an hour. Now, that Gulf breeze is also bringing us a couple of scattered showers. If you're traveling along the Katy Freeway, you are going to encounter some slick spots. There's a few more showers that I'm tracking for the North Freeway. So if you're moving towards the Woodlands or Shenandoah, just a little bit of light rain for this afternoon, and I'm expecting that to continue for a couple more hours. Here's the side-by-side comparison with the air temperature compared to the heat index. So Sugar Land, you're sitting at 89. It feels like 99 for you. Same feeling for Conroe, for Javi Airport. Folks that are coming in for the World Cup, they're going to get hit with that Houston humidity. Notice temperatures are going to hover in the upper 80s to low 90s. If you do get a brief shower, notice you will see a momentary drop in temperatures. But as soon as that rain passes through, we are back up to it feeling pretty hot out there for your Wednesday. Here's your hourly forecast. Future Track Radar shows us we've got the potential for these pop-up showers until about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then we quiet things down. It's going to be really similar for tomorrow. The Gulf breeze pumping in quite a bit of cloud cover, the heat, the humidity, that's still around. And then the isolated shower potential is sitting at only 20% from today all the way through Friday. You'll notice those high temperatures are also steady as well. We'll be in the low 90s. Now, here's a snapshot of the next 5 days. That's your 20% rain chance. Not very significant. Notice we start to get a little bit more reflectivity, some darker greens, some yellows popping up. That's your signal that we're starting to see rain potential go up. That's going to be for your weekend and into the start of the coming week. You'll notice this available moisture in the Gulf is going to swing into the upper Texas coastline, eventually getting to Houston. And I want to show you where it's coming in from because it is from the tropics. So right now we're monitoring this system in the eastern Pacific. This is Tropical Storm Christina. It is bringing a lot of rain for Central America, El Salvador, pushing into Mexico, and then eventually some of that moisture is going to spill over the Yucatan into the Gulf. And there's a small chance that this could become organized. More than anything, it is going to give us ample amount of moisture to hike up the rain chances. There's also going to be a front that starts to move in for the start of the week. Both of those things together is what's going to lead to the increased rain potential. So how much of a chance do we have to see anything become organized? Right now we're on the really low end threat of 10% over the next 7 days, but it's just a good idea to check back in with me at least once a day because we know in the tropics things can change quickly, and well, we are in the very beginning of hurricane season. It lasts all the way through the end of November, so we've got a long way to go. Here's your local 7-day forecast. Notice those low 90s feel like the low triple digits, so it's definitely a hot Houston afternoon for us today and through the weekend. That's the same weather story. Notice as rain potential starts to go up next week, Jen, those high temperatures will come down just a little bit, and I'm sure that will be a nice benefit of the rain.
Oh, for sure. I know that's right.